Marine procurement is vast and involve multiple stakeholders. We at INSHYP, making it seamless for marine supplies and services. The enablers of Team INSHYP makes your procurement a simple exercise. For ship managers, it is ease of trade with INSHYP enablers. One of the enabler is INSHYP as in one-stop procurement of comprehensive offerings. INSHYP provides spare parts, supplies, provisions, services, repairs, surveys, inspections, and analytics. INSHYP makes business trading and technology work as one. We enable digital marine. Provide access to procurement KPIs for better tracking. Deploy big data analytics for predictive and actionable insights. Be part of INSHYP and leverage our tech enablers. INSHYP is a one-stop procurement of comprehensive offerings. INSHYP provides empowered procurement. INSHYP makes business trading and technology work as one. INSHYP enablers make your procurement your best buy yet. Welcome aboard and experience marine e-procurement. INSHYP Shape. INSHYP Shape Service.